Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs fancy, easy method. Crack fresh eggs into a bowl and whisk with a pinch of salt and a splash of cream. Cook slowly over low heat while stirring gently with a silicone spatula to form soft curds. Remove from heat before fully set and fold in cold butter to melt for a glossy, luxurious finish you can serve immediately. Start with a cold pan or very low heat so the eggs cook gradually and stay creamy. Whisk eggs until slightly frothy to incorporate air for a light texture. Then stir continuously with slow, deliberate motions to form soft curds. Keep the eggs slightly underdone on the stove and let residual heat finish cooking off the burner for perfect creaminess and a luxurious. Think about layers of flavor rather than heavy seasoning early on. Add delicate herbs like chives or tarragon right at the end to keep their fresh aroma. Stir in a spoonful of creme fraiche or mascarpone off the heat for tangy silk, and finish with a tiny squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of aged cheese to brighten and balance the dish for a restaurant-quality bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.